Hey beautiful, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because we are going out of my house and we are going shopping. And I'm saying shopping in quotations because mainly I like to shop online. The only reason I'm leaving my house today is because I have some returns and exchanges to do. So I figured I'd take you along with me. We'll explore if we find anything new at Ulta or Sephora. I'll be going to both. Maybe we'll like drop into Target and see what's there. I don't know. Let's try something different today. And I'm starting here in my room because I'm going to do like the bare minimum amount of makeup I want to do to kind of look presentable. So I didn't even use my brow freeze for my brows. I just used my brow wax from Benefit. So they look a little bit more wild than usual. And I am going to just pencil them in just a tad bit with the Benefit Precisely My Brow to even them out and whatnot. But like, we're not going for perfection here. I just want to cover up some gaps. So literally just like this. That's all I'm doing to this one, and we'll just do the same to my other brow. Alright, so that is it for eyebrows. I did do a bit of magic cream before I started filming, and I have not done any eye cream yet. So I'm using this one from Caudalie, the Vino Perfect eye cream. That was a lot. Hold on, let's distribute. There we go. Whenever I'm doing the bare minimum amount of makeup, the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Balm has to be included. It primes, it covers, it's fantastic. By the way, can you tell that like my face is not as red as usual? I'm very, very proud of this situation that I have going on. So I'm just going to even it out even more with my Yummy Skin Balm to cover the redness, especially around the nose area, which is the main area of concern right now. Center of the forehead. And we spread it out. My Yummy Skin Balm, by the way, is number 3. That's the color that I got, and I have loved it ever since I got it. I'm going to do a little bit of my Charlotte color corrector on the inner corner of my eye, just like that. And my Valentino concealer just to brighten up things a bit right here. I didn't even wet my beauty blender. I'm just trying to go fast. So just a bit of brightness right underneath my eye with that one. If I have anything left on the beauty blender, center of the forehead, nose and chin. For a little bit of color, I'm going to use this KVD Beauty Liquid Bronzer, which I haven't used in a while for some reason, and I do really like it. Kind of carelessly, I know, I just want a bit of color, and I know that this one looks very, very natural. And I'm blending it out with my BK Beauty 101 brush, which by the way, is on sale right now for Mother's Day. Just like that, I just wanted a little bit of color. Like I said, bare minimum today. We can't forget some mascara. A tiny bit of translucent powder just so that nothing creases underneath my eyes. And in the center of the forehead because I don't like that to look shiny. And as you can see, I didn't layer my mascara, just a bit. And then I'm going to use my Handy Glaze from YSL. Maybe a little bit of lip liner just to be particular about it. And to even out my lips, truth be told. And this is it. The whole thing took me probably 15 minutes, including the eyebrows. So time to leave the house. And the first stop was Ulta. I definitely wanted to come here because I had some products to exchange. And the main thing I wanted to exchange was my Lancome foundation. You guys know Lancome reformulated their tinted foundation. I had gotten my shade wrong. I got 200 neutral, which was very yellow on me. So I needed a cool toned base. These are the two I swatched. I swatched 205 and 215. Both of them have a cooler undertone, or that's how they're described. And then after I blended these foundations into the back of my hand, as you can see, the one that disappears is the darker one. So that's the one that I ended up going with, which is the 215 Cool. And once I get home later, I will be trying it on because we need to see if it's the real deal. So this is 215C that I am going to take with me. I was checking out the Chanel counter because I feel like it is freaking beautiful. At the Ulta by my house, it is massive, and this isn't even the whole thing. There's like another piece of it. And I was looking for products that intrigued me. My eyes definitely stopped over these liquid blushes here because how pigmented can these actually be? I was wondering, right? So I swatched them in the back of my hand. You are looking at the swatch, which is like
you can't really even see it. It completely disappears. So that was definitely, I do like their skin tint. And this right here is the only liquid lipstick that I still like wearing. These long wearing lipsticks from Chanel are beautiful. They are half liquid lipstick, half gloss, and they feel very comfortable on the lips, and they are the longest lasting ever. Very big fan of these for sure. I cannot believe how bougie Ulta has gotten. Look at this Dior gondola over here. It is so freaking beautiful and stylish. I love that they did a white background on majority of this one. You guys know I love some of Dior's foundations, and these lip oils right here are the real deal. Absolutely love them. But if you want a cheaper option, the NYX ones are incredible. I love the packaging of Dior glosses overall. And this is the other part of this Chanel counter that I was telling you about. In here they have the #1 collection, which is exclusive to Ulta, I believe, and the Chanel website, of course. Anyways, the Chanel #1 foundation, one of my all-time favorites. I still have a little bit left on my bottle because I'm really trying not to use it so that I don't have to buy another bottle, basically. So I'm saving it till I can't anymore. So anyways, love the Chanel and Dior displays here. I also checked out Urban Decay, and Urban Decay has at my Ulta already the Smiley collaboration palettes right here. I tried this one on my channel, the one on the left, and I absolutely loved it. The yellow in that palette looks incredible. And then I was wondering if I needed to get any other of their liquid liners, because I also love those, but I decided against it because I'm really not into liquid liners that much. I was looking at the fragrances. 2 new fragrances at Ulta that I'm really into are this Dove Violet one. I have my eye on that one. I almost bought it with when the Sephora sale was going on, but I ended up not buying it because I really don't need fragrance, but I want it. And then this is the Versace that I did end up getting a travel size of. And then I had to check out this Tree Hut thing right here. Everything Tree Hut smells delicious. My 2 favorite things from them are definitely the sugar scrub and the shaving oil. The shaving oil is an absolute must-have. I cannot go back to using anything else, basically. Lastly, I was checking out the drugstore section and in the hunt for another NYX fat lip oil because I loved it so much, but the shade I want is unfortunately still out of stock over here, so no luck for me. I was considering getting the one they did have in stock, but I just don't think that one I'm going to get that much use out of, so I passed. I did a little bit of browsing through the hair section and I ended up finally getting something I've had my eye on for a while, which are these little teeny tiny clips that I want to do little hairstyles on my hair. We'll see how that goes, but they're these tiny ones right here, and I feel like I can make cute things happen with these. We'll see. Anyways, I checked out, left Ulta, secured the bag, and it is on to the next stop, which is Sephora. That little Sephora bag, by the way, it is just full of things that I had to exchange at Sephora. So I went to Sephora Perimeter Mall because they have Valentino Beauty, which is what I was definitely here to look for. I needed to exchange my Valentino foundation. I had the shade LN3. I wanted to get LN4, and as you can see by the hole in front of you, they did not have a tester of LN4. I asked for help. They didn't make it for me. And they only had 1 shade left, like 1 box left of the LN4 foundation. So I just took the risk, got that one, brought it home with me, and we'll try it in a minute once I show you guys everything. Anyways, I had to check out the Huda Beauty display because they have the new lip tint or lip blush tint thing. I don't know. I swatched them for you so you guys could see the colors swatched, and of course I liked the most basic one of all. I like the idea of using a tint to kind of like extend my lip line a little bit, and I feel like it needs to look natural, right? So I went for the super light color. I headed over to the fragrance wall because I was on a mission to smell the new Kylie fragrance. It smells like pistachio and cream. Everyone's been talking about it and I needed to get a whiff of it, okay? Found the tester, fell in love, and I ended up, of course, getting one. I got a little one again because I don't need fragrance, but I really wish I had gotten the bigger one because it's so good. Bag secured, and I just went to browse the mall for a little bit. We ended up at Shake Shack. I was with my mother-in-law, and yes, I'm horrified my burger might have touched the table, but more antibodies for me. Anyways, this was freaking delicious.
I'm back home and hopefully that voiceover thing turned out okay. I wanted to kind of like film and talk at the same time when I was out, but it is Friday before Mother's Day. All of the stores I went to were a little bit packed. The Ulta I went to was packed with employees, which was even weirder. Like there weren't even like that many clients in there, but there were so many employees around. I got asked if I needed help so many times, which is fantastic, but like basically I couldn't like talk and film at the same time. I'm not good at this. I got the idea to like take you out with me from Leah Jane's videos because she does shop with me videos all the time and I enjoy watching them, but I'm not good at this. Anyways, you guys pretty much saw everything I bought, but I did end up walking the mall a little more and I stopped at Bath & Body Works, where I bought not necessarily fun things. I bought two room sprays, fresh lemon and warm vanilla sugar, and I bought 6 of these. They had them for $3.50 each. I got 2 of flannel, I got 2 of rose water and ivy. This is my all-time favorite one here. And then I got 2 of mahogany vanilla. I'm very excited that I got to exchange my foundation shade. So this is the Lancome Tint Title in 215 Cool, which I'm like 100% sure is going to be perfect for me. Here's the color and here is what it, yeah, I love it. That is the perfect color for me, as you can see right there. So definitely very excited. And if we are shade twins, I figured it out for us. We are 215C or 215 Cool. This right here, without a doubt, is our perfect shade. I'm very happy I'm no longer going to be looking yellow with this one. And then this was the other thing I bought from Ulta because I had my eye on them, I wanted them. And I ended up getting money back at Ulta because I had returns. So I got back $65.27, which was fantastic. And then from Sephora, like I said, I couldn't try the foundation in store. So let's see, I'm nervous about this one. But I'm pretty sure this is going to be the right shade from the Valentino foundation. So let's see. Yep, this one is perfect. So once again, if we are shade twins, I figured it out for us. We are LN4. So I returned my LN3, got LN4 instead, and that shade is perfection for me. Very, very excited about it. I'm just gonna put it on, I don't wanna waste it. Now that I got the right shade on these, they are getting added to my collection immediately. I can't wait to continue to try this one, especially because I want to compare it to my current favorites. And if you want to see my thoughts on this foundation, obviously I exchanged them, not returned them, so I absolutely love them. And even though I didn't have the right shade at first, you can check out the individual reviews if you're interested. This one I am particularly excited about because I'm a little drier and this one has a luminous finish to it. But anyways, very, very happy with my new foundations. I can still very clearly smell this Kylie fragrance on my arm from when I sprayed it in store, and it's been like 3 to 4 hours, so I'm obsessed with this one. It's so good. And then my Huda Beauty stain we'll try in tomorrow's video. So that was it. This wasn't a shopping spree. It was mainly exchanging some products and returning some that didn't work for me. But overall, I hope that you guys liked this video. So if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up before you leave. If you're new to my channel, please don't leave without subscribing. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you back in the next video. Bye.